If you ever wonder when to use a population or a sample, this video is perfect for you. I'll explain the difference between the two in simple terms and provide clear answers to all your questions. Let's begin. First, about. The population is about all. The population refers to the entire group of individuals, objects, or events that you are interested in studying. It includes all the elements that share a common characteristics. The sample is about some, not all. Picking up only a few. A sample is a subset of the population, chosen to represent the larger group. It consists of a smaller number of units or individuals selected from the population. Second, representation. The population is denoted by the symbol capital N. Capital N means the total number of units or individuals in the entire group being studied. In the case of population, the mean is represented by the symbol mu. The sample is denoted by the symbol small n. Small n means the selected number of units or individuals from a larger group. In the case of the sample, the mean is represented by the symbol x bar. Third, use. Population is used only when asked explicitly and/or requires high accuracy, and it is feasible and also fits in time and cost limit. If data is very large and researchers can achieve acceptable accuracy by studying a comparatively small group, then the sample is used instead of the population. Now, let's talk about when to use population and when to use sample in more detail with some examples. Case 1. For example, if a research question says, "What is the average income of all households in the city?" Analysis of the given question. The word all suggests that you should use the population. But before moving further with population, clarify the following questions. First, feasible. Is there any way to collect data on all households? Second, time. Do you have sufficient time to collect data and do your research work with the population? Third, cost. Do you have sufficient funds to collect all data and perform your research? If the answer is yes, then you can proceed with the population, otherwise you should go with the sample. Case 2. If you have been given a task, check the quality of the soil of the entire earth. Analysis of the statement. Here the word entire earth can lead you to think for the population. But before moving further, clarify the following questions. Feasible. Is it feasible to collect the soil of the entire earth? If not, then you might be using samples from different places to perform your research. I hope the difference between population and sample is clear to you now. And you should now know how to decide whether to use population or sample. If it is clear, then I have a question for you, and you have to answer it in the comments section. Research question. What is the average commute time for all employees working in a specific office building? What is the population here? What appropriate approach would be better here, population or sample?